How to use Glide apps tutorial for beginners. So pretty much a beginner's guide. The first thing you're gonna have to do is to of course sign up. You can go to your preferred browser and just search for glideapps.com and you should be directly led to over here. You can go ahead and start for free on the top right, but if for some reason you already have an account, just go ahead and log in. So just go ahead and sign up for a bit. Go ahead and click on new project if you want to do so. Most of the features you can start from scratch. You can browse and copy from the beginner tutorial template, which is guided in 5 steps, or you can pretty much just start with a blank starter app. Over here on the left is the main AI that they have, where you can ask them questions, where you can want to build a project tracker app. If you want to do so, go ahead and press that, but you can directly search into what you want to do. You can have your agent over here, which is pretty much this thing over here. You can look at your data. You can see your names, emails, photos, and its roles, pretty much your team over here. And you can import more if you want. And the agent will continue to be here on your bottom right screen. You look at your layout of the app that you want to go ahead and construct your workflows for the new app you want to do. You can start from an existing one. You can add a new workflow if you want to do so, or you can always start from scratch. Here you can connect and manage your data and design your app UI with drag and drop tools, which is pretty much already available for you. You can look at your name icon over here, as you can see. You can change that if you want. You can change the title, the name, logo if you want, add a description if you want. Your appearance for the specific app, environment, styles, layout, background, content widths, but pretty much mostly of what you want to do or change features or the design is pretty much here in your settings. There's also the advanced option over here. Here you can go ahead and upgrade if you want to unlock more features, but if you don't upgrade, it's already available for most. Here in the top left, you should be able to see the apps that you want to create. As you can see here is the custom one. You can see for new folders where you can go ahead and compile the apps that you've created. And if you want to make a new app, it's directly here in the button. So for more information, you can always look at the introduction to Glide, what it is, getting started, data layout, and the data editor. Pretty much just 4 parts, including what it is, and you should be able to get information and how to actually perfectly use Glide, since it's a pretty user-friendly tool. But anyways, hopefully this information can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.